Back in Avery. Tourista? Yeah, I came back up here to survey the damage. My guy, my mobile RV guy, surveyed that one of my neighbors over here, not sure who, it's alright, I'm not pointing any fingers, but a rock went flying through my windshield, or sorry, the window. That's going to cost a pretty penny. There's glass everywhere. I got it all cleaned up pretty much. Not sure if I popped my tires or not. Nope, they're okay. My brand new tires. No, I got the solar going. It's gonna be like 93 degrees today here. It's already about 80 inside the trailer. So guess what? I put up the solar panels. Looks like they need to be cleaned. Yeah, my foldables. Got it kind of jimmied a little weird. I forgot my little bins. Yeah, someone was weed eating over here, probably. These big old rocks. And that's probably what happened. Oh well. God bless America. Yeah, I got my solar panels going. I guess it's a little janky style, but got some wattage going in. Let's go inside and check out the damage. 'Cause it ain't pretty. My mobile RV guy is going to come out and remove that window because, of course, they put the part number on the underside. It's a 20-year-old trailer. We're trying to keep it up best we can. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Oh, why not? Let's go out and check out the view. This is the View channel. Over on Dave's site. He's got his golf cart out. So. Oh, that's right, he got new tires. That's cool. Yeah, he's got a new tire in the back. Nice. Got the golf balls in there, it's funny. There's not a golf course here. Yeah, this back tire replaced. It still works. I don't know what year that is, but man, I think in 1980. Oh wow, look at that. That's all the stuff they're going to start burning soon. Oh my goodness. Check for rattlesnakes. Also mountain lions. It's probably calling them. We're getting a lot of spider webs. Yeah, all this big pile right here. They're gonna burn that very, very soon. That's a lot. That is a lot. It's gonna get pretty smoky here pretty soon. All right, Mr. Snakes, I'm coming down. Don't bite my leg. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Yeah. Sierra foothills. I'm trying to make it up there safely. Real soft. You got these ground squirrels or gopher rolls. Gotta watch out for. And that mountain lion is sitting right here. See that hole right there? Yeah, that's probably either a skunk or squirrel. I don't know. My buddy Dave, he loves the irises. Those are real pretty flowers. Got more up here. Oh, they're flowering. Look at that. A good flower to brighten your day. Turkey hole. Yeah, a little bit. I'm kind of dried up. Getting hit by mosquitoes. Oh, my buddy's here. Nice. They're probably asleep. We'll be quiet. Some garbage here. U-Haul. No idea. No, solar's working great. You know, I brought a bunch of Windex up, about a gallon, so I can get that going on. Not sure how my garden's doing. Not getting watered. I've been in Southern California for about a month and a half, taking care of my sister. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Someone dug it all up. There's nothing left. Well. Huh, there's my onion still. Right there. Look at that. It's gonna have a bunch of babies. Doesn't smell like onions anymore. Yeah, someone dug up all my stuff. It's probably the deer. I guess they love tomatoes. Scorched earth. Good for fire danger, but not very appealing to the eye. Do a little weeding. Let's go and see and check out the damage from the supposed rock. Here's my new carpet. Isn't that cool? Sam's Club. Not sponsored. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Isn't that pretty? That's what happens when a rock goes flying through a windshield from a weed eater. It wasn't a bear, thank goodness, but ouch. Oh well. Still a nice trailer. It is 20 years old, but I'm keeping it up. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Spider web. Ooh, some more junk. Thanks, spiders. Alright, well, y'all have a good day and a better tomorrow. I'm getting hammered by mosquitoes. I'll talk to you later. Oh, you know what? I want to show you guys one thing. Let's see what we got going on. You can see it. There is a whopping 3 watts of solar coming in because the sun's not up yet. I gotta run the golf cart before I leave. Michelle's golf cart. I already ran the generator last night. But I finally got the solar up on top of the roof. Up on the roof. Yeah. Nice day. Alright, like I said, have a better day and a good tomorrow. Talk to you guys later.